Now for the next challenge, we're asked what will the code snippet print to the console. We're given y equals 5, then print y times 5. Then we're reassigning y with the assignment operator, y 25, and then we're printing out simply y. So if we think about this, y is an integer. It's being multiplied by an integer in our first print statement. That result is going to be 25. It's an integer times an integer, so it makes sense that we would get an integer back out. That means we can immediately, right, the result of this is not going to be 5. It's not going to be 5, and it's not going to be 25.0 because we're dealing with an integer, right? Not a floating point number. So we have this as our candidate. Then we reassign 25 to y and print it out. Again, that should give us 25 again. We can see that that is actually the case. Now, moving on to the third challenge, we're asked, what will this code snippet print to the console? First, z is equal to 21. Then z is equal to z plus 3. So we're reassigning 21 plus 3. So now z is equal to 24. And then we're doing some division. 24 divided by 8 is actually 3.0. Remember, when we do division, that result is always going to come back as a floating point number with some decimal. And then we want to simply print z at this point. So we don't want to print its final value or anything like that. We need to print it where it is right now. And 24 divided by 8 is equal to 3. Knowing that it's going to be a float, we can say that's going to be 3.0. We can go ahead and give this a try and see it's correct. A lot of people, right, they'll want to do all of this math, right, these two additional commands, and then say that's what z will be printed, right? But we have to remember that Python is procedural. It works from top to bottom in a very specific order. So this print statement comes before z squared. It comes before z plus 3z. So we need to print it where it is with its value at that very instant, which is 3.0, the floating point number 3.0. So that's it for the challenges in this printing lesson. We'll see you in the next lesson that's all about indentation.